So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. You can use cotton yarn if you wish, or any yarn of your choice. I will make 4 pieces of the triangle. So each triangle will be 25 rows. We'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 2. 2 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I have a different video for how to make a triangle. I hope I'll remember. I'll put the link in the description box or in the video for you to look. So chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So basically, to shape the triangle, in each row I'm gonna chain 1. I will always start with 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the rest of the stitches until I get the size I want of my triangle. For this project is gonna be 25 rows. Chain 1, 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet in each stitch. I will continue the same, and then once I'm done with 25 rows I will come back and show you what we're gonna do next. So next I'm gonna make the strap before I join the triangle. So I'm gonna make a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 101. So here I'm done with my chain. What I'm gonna do next is slip stitch in the second chain from the hook and slip stitch in every chain till the end of my chain, and that will be the strap for my purse, like so. I will continue the same. And here I'm done, and I'm gonna fasten off. And later I'm gonna hide this thread in between the stitches. Okay, now I'll come back to the triangles, and what I'm gonna do, I have the base one. Okay, so I'm gonna stitch the other triangle on all 3 sides. So I'm gonna make a single crochet from the outer side of the 3 corners, and then I'll stitch them upwards. So we'll start with the first one. I'll show you how, then I'll continue with the rest. So align the 2 triangles and then join the first one. Okay. Chain 1, single crochet, single crochet in every stitch. So now these are the 3 sides stitched together, and this is how they look like. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna stitch these sides together, and I will make sure I leave 10 rows from the top. So I will stitch these sides, making sure to leave 10 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will stop here. This is for the strap to insert. I'll just show you the first side. Okay. So here is my last stitch. And like we said, we count 10 from here. Over here. So I will continue single crochet. Okay, and I'm gonna fasten off here for this side, leaving the opening, and I'm gonna go and stitch the rest, and then I'll show you how to insert the strap. Of course, I'll hide the thread every time. So this is the purse completed, and this is how it looks like. You can input anything you like. Now I'm gonna show you how to insert the strap. So we said we leave the 10 rows, and then I'm gonna insert in the extremities from here. Okay, and here. In all 3 triangles. In the single crochet. From the inside, and here, and that's it. So you can tighten it, and then you can make a knot, and this is the purse complete. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow and fun to make. If you make yours, please share it with me in the blog or in Etsy if you like. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.